Hey guys, Aryaan Tube here, and today we are going to be learning the second step on how to solve the plastic cube. Now, what we are going to be doing today, first we're going to recap what we learned last time.
Okay.
That was to create the white cross and fill up the corners so you get a white space. So let me just quickly do that. I've done the colors there and they match up together, so we've done the first third of the cube, as you can see here. So now what we're going to learn today is very simple. Just get these edges in so that will create 2/3 done, and then next episode we'll learn how to do this top layer. So you want to fill these edges up. So what two colors would go in this edge? That would be orange and blue, because there's orange there and blue there. So we find the edge, which is the ones with two colors, like this. Not like this is the corners with three colors, edges with two. And you find the one with, here's the one with the orange and the blue. So now let us put it there. So it's stuck in there. So what we're gonna do is do this move to get it out, and it will put this one in there instead, okay? So we're going to do this, 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 and that. Let me just show you again. Top one up, this one out, that, and that. And you have to be facing the one which you're going to put down in.
We don't care.
Then you do this, that, and that, okay? So that's it. So now, orange and blue. So you want to just put it in there. So now what you're going to do is do this method, because you do this algorithm, which I'm going to tell you right now. If you want to move it down into the right side. If you want to do it to the left side, you will do the algorithm, which I'm going to show you next. So do this, that, this, and that. And make sure the thing you're going to put down is facing you. And then do that. That. Basically put it inside. So see, it's edged up.
Nice.
Let's find another one. Let's get this red one out. So I'll do the same thing which I just did, which has now got the red and blue one out, and I want to put that in here, so I'll just do that. So now if you want to put it into the left, what you will do is this. You will do this, that, and that, and do that. So obviously now, so I put the red and green one in there, which should be here. So what I'm going to do is just take it out. So I'll put this in here instead. There we go. And we've got V1, put that in the left side. So we do the algorithm. You can always slow these videos down if you want to. Let's put the last edge in there. So now it's paired up like that, and that's what you should see. It should be all paired up and flush, and you're just going to put it there so the white's there. Wow, there we go. And then got the last orange one, put it into the left side. Do that. And there you go, you've now done 2/3 of the cube. Look at that. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you like the video and subscribe.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh man, you're just ruining it.